Ever wondered how to optimize your Google Ads campaign? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating, managing, and optimizing your Google Ads campaign. To start, Google Ads is a powerful tool that allows you to reach customers when they're browsing online. It's like a digital billboard, but far more targeted and effective. First things first, before you can start creating your Google Ads campaign, you need to set up a Google Ads account. It's quite simple. Head over to the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now. Fill in the required information and you're ready to dive into the world of Google Ads. Now that you have your Google Ads account, let's move to the second step, defining your campaign. This involves setting your advertising goals. Are you looking to increase website visits, get more phone calls, or drive more store visits? Knowing your goal will help you tailor your campaign to your specific needs. Next, select your campaign type. You can choose between search, display, shopping, video, and app. Each type serves a different purpose, and the best one for you depends on your advertising goals. Once you have your campaign type, it's time to set your budget. Remember, with Google Ads, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So choose a budget that you're comfortable with. Then, choose where you want your ads to appear. This could be globally, nationally, or locally. It all depends on where your customers are. Now let's move to creating your ad. This is where you get creative. Write a headline that grabs attention and a description that tells your audience what they can expect from your product or service. Don't forget to include keywords in your ad. Keywords are what people search for on Google. By including them in your ad, you increase the chances of your ad appearing when someone searches for those keywords. Once you're happy with your ad, click on Save and Continue to launch your campaign. Now, optimizing your campaign is where the fun begins. Google Ads provides a wealth of data that you can use to improve your campaign. Monitor your campaign regularly, analyze the data, and make adjustments as necessary. In summary, setting up and optimizing a Google Ads campaign involves creating a Google Ads account, defining your advertising goals, selecting your campaign type, setting a budget, choosing where your ads will appear, creating your ad, and optimizing your campaign. Remember, Google Ads is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand. It requires time, effort, and a bit of creativity. But with the right approach, it can help you reach your customers when they're browsing online and drive your business growth. Thanks for tuning in. Stay savvy, stay witty, and here's to your success with Google Ads.